birds, we about to see blue-tailed bee-eaters and their behaviors. Birds are spectacular creatures on Earth. They have fascinated us over the years, and they are a unique group of animals with flying abilities. Like mammals, all birds are warm-blooded animals and also vertebrates. You may already know about bee-eaters. There are some unique features you probably didn't know about bee-eaters. Today we about to see blue-tailed bee-eaters. Bee-eaters are star birds in hunting. It is evident that the bee-eaters get that name. Mostly eat bees and flying tiny insects in midair. These birds are related to roller birds, woofers and kingfishers. Have larger head, short neck, brightly plumaged, have short leg, wings are rounded or pointed. These birds growing up to 23 centimeters to 29 centimeters, including two long central tailed feathers, weighing up to 20 grams to 33 grams. We can differentiate the blue-tailed bee-eaters from among other species based on their appearance. The appearance is green above with a blue rump and tail, as broad black eye stripe, bordered with a narrow blue streak. Chin will look yellow, throat and cheek have rufous tan. Underparts are green, undertail converts are blue. These birds mostly hunt bees, dragonflies, wasps, and hornets. The insects provide rich protein to the birds. Its long curved bill adapted for grasping its prey. Over the long years, the bills are evolved in curved shape and sharp at the edges. By using the curved bill, it will snatch insects from midair and crush smaller prey. It will remove the strings of the insects by hitting on a hot surfaces and sitting branches. In this process, most of the venom of the insects will be removed. Bee-eaters live in social groups. Most of the birds together form colonies, mostly nesting in burrows, tunnels, in sandy banks. Bee-eaters are monogamous, but it is not sure for a lifetime or for a season. These birds lay 5 eggs and both parents will take care of the eggs. The eggs hatch in about 20 days, all the eggs not hatch at the same time. In most of the cases, only older chicks will survive. Young chicks may be killed by rodents, snakes, and raptors. These type of birds found throughout Indian subcontinent, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive notification on upload of videos. Please support and motivate us.